everyone, my name is Zobo from Yobroz English Club. This video is going to be an introduction about something we are going to learn in this summer. While in this summer, we are going to have a class of English for Science, and this class is going to be for children ranging from class 3 to class 6, alright? Okay, actually it's class 3 upper. And this class is going to be fun because in this class we are going to learn everything related to science in English. Besides, you can have a big opportunity to make your own models of some science stuff so that you can bring it home to enjoy themselves. And as parents and children might be concerned, in this class we are going to cover everything that we think are useless, something we think we can get rid of immediately. For example, a useless cup, alright, or a disused bottle, or even a disused wire, alright. We are gonna take advantage of those stuffs to make them into something wonderful, to make the wonder out of them, turn them into something we can use. And of course we're going to use them for some kind of very fun science experiments. And to demonstrate for something fun we are going to do in the class in this summer, over here I have a model. This is the model of something that I call waterlogged signaling bell. The reason why I call this one a waterlogged signaling bell is because this one is used to signal when the water is up. For example, over here I have a small water tank, and this one is put right here. When I pour the water inside the tank, when the water is almost up the tank, it's gonna make the bell ring, so it signals that the water is up, alright? And in the class, you are going to learn about the structure of this one. For example, when you look at this one, some people might think, wow, it looks like a kind of creature, like a kind of machine creature, but actually it is a waterlogged signaling bell. And its structure contains, the first one is a power, and it is a battery, something we see every day. I have a cylinder. Actually, it is a disused cylinder. And inside the cylinder, as you can see, there are two small metallic wires. Next to the cylinders, there is something black over here. It is called a speaker. And some wires to connect electricity is something we call conductors. There is a small tennis ball over here, and in this experiment, it's gonna work as a small swimmer. And over here I have a bottle filled with water, and it's gonna act as a water tank in this experiment. Okay, talking about the working principle, the conductor are used, alright, those conductors are used to connect between the battery, the speaker, and two small metallic wires inside the cylinder, alright? Together they form a circuit, but actually this circuit is still incomplete. Two small metallics inside the cylinders. One is attached at the top of the cylinder, one is attached to the pushing bar. This is something we say a pushing bar because we use it to push it up and down like this. Okay, those metallic wires serve as a switch to form a complete circuit. Wow, amazing, right? When the swimmer at the bottom is dipped into the water tank, alright, there is an upward force from the water which is applied to the swimmer and makes it float on the surface of the water. Okay, to prove this, I'm gonna make this one for you guys to see. Open this up, alright? Okay, when I push this swimmer inside the water tank, okay, the pressures from the water is going to push this one higher. Wow, do you hear the sound? This is the sounds from this one is the sounds from the bell. The deeper I dip, the higher the water pushes the swimmer. So at this point, two metallic wires will touch each other. Alright, which forms a complete circuit. So when the circuit is formed, there is an electric current running around the circuit, and that makes the bell work. The reason why is when I put this one into the water and it doesn't sink, right? Actually, it flows on the water. The reason why it flows and it pushes this pushing bar up, it is because according to the Archimedes principle, a result stating that a body totally or partially immersed into a fluid is subject to an upward force equal in magnitude to the way a fluid it displaces. It is similar to the way the boat is floated on the water. When you put the boat on the water, the pressure on the water actually pushes the boat and make it float. Alright, it will make it float on the surface of the water. This one is work with the same principle. Okay, once again. Alright, so when two metallic wires touch each other, they actually turn the circuit into a complete circuit, and there is an energy running inside the circuit, and that make the bell over here ring. Okay, so this is really fun, right? And you guys are going to learn how to form, how to make this one in the course. All right, and of course there's gonna be a bunch of stuff like this, something like this that we can learn in the course. So I hope you guys are going to join the class soon to learn some fun things like this, and I hope to see you guys soon. Alright, have a good day.